position with Costoya on the outside. They race down into turns 1 and 2. Rocco Coronel, the Dutchman takes the lead. Nicely done by RC. The victory lane driver goes position 1. Coronel leads the opening lap, qualifying Heat C versus E. Costoya in second place. Iron Kralik on the outside, trying to find his way by Luke Corder. There's the German in P4. Rocco Coronel races down the back straight, goes P1 between victory lane. Marka Sobolev having an incident, and we've also lost, and they will be tailed at Dizzy, who's out. Coronel leads across the line. The Erzi for Dizzy. Costoya, Kralik. Luke Honda, the German, third and fourth. There's Scott Lindblom in P5. Costoya on the inside of Coronel. The Alexander Uznev at the back of the pack in the AIX car. Not a good run in qualifying for the Estonian Monte Ewing WSK, but he's gone up on through. You see the field make their way through. Got Arsidan behind Chartier. Get a Pochet, Sobolev. Shanna, Sakai, Ryotaro Sakai with that deep 360 earlier on today. Sun. Station off, Kavalchik as Roxine. Mark Rocco goes through down the back straight now. Has had an incident, but has managed to keep it going. We've lost one driver at the far hairpin. It's Corda! Luke Corda's come to grief. And he's not the only one. Clara Kavalchik is out. He's desperately trying to restart at the far hairpin. No chance. Clara is out. The former Olympic high dive hopeful from the east of Europe, Clara Kavalchik. Well, swimming pool-like conditions here at Cremona, no pun intended. She walks back to the pit lane. Clara Kavalchik is out. Rocco Coronel's lead from Costoya. Kralik, Lindblom, Andriotis, from the Dutchman, Ilya Bereskin. As team goes 64-2. Fastest driver on the circuit for AKM Motorsport in the Cup Republic. It has got Eskin, Chartier, Iran, and Louis Gaucher. Ilya Bereskin, the Monster K factory team. In P7 ahead of the first Canadian, Chartier. Iran, Louis Gaucher, Shanda. Sun and Marka Sobolev. Rocco Coronel P1 between victory lane. Nato Sakai going around as a Japanese driver with one of the coolest helmet designs here particularly when he races in the All Japan Championship. Outstanding presenter time. But it counts for 0 because